Dwight Brown, the father of a 5-month-old baby, suspected to have died in a case of infanticide, says the child's mother accused him of infidelity moments before she allegedly threw the infant from the roof. The incident happened Wednesday in Barrett Hall, St. James. The baby's mother is receiving treatment at hospital after she is believed to have attempted suicide. 5-month-old Destiny Brown died at Cornwall Regional Hospital Thursday afternoon, where she had been admitted with head wounds. Recalling the tragedy, Mr. Brown said he was informed that his girlfriend got into an altercation with his mother. He said when he arrived home, his child's mother began accusing him of having a relationship with an American guest who was staying at his house. He denied the accusation. Mr. Brown said when his child's mother confronted him, he told her that he was tired and did not want to talk about it. He further explained that he was in bed when his stepdaughter informed him that her mother killed the baby. I ran out of my room and looked out onto the veranda. When I looked out, I saw the baby. I didn't know if she was lifeless or what, because at that time, I thought that someone had put her down and maybe ran away or something, he lamented. He believes the woman hurt the baby to spite him because she knew how much he loved his child. The father of 4 questioned whether the mother of his child had been experiencing mental health issues. He said, "Sometimes she behaves in a way that is abnormal. But I never really gave it much thought because I don't know her history. It's just been 1 year since I started talking to her," he admitted. Mr. Brown said he met Sharika at a gas station where she works. At the time, he was living with his girlfriend, but their relationship broke up after Sharika harassed his ex-girlfriend. He mentioned that he rented a place for Sharika to stay, but she refused to live there. Instead, she showed up at his house and tormented his girlfriend until the girlfriend became fed up and left. Following that, Sharika moved into the house. Mr. Brown said he is trying to cope with the tragedy. "I can't come to terms with the fact that a mother would really do this to her own flesh and blood. I'm trying to go back to all the moments to see what I could have done to save this child here. It's not like I'm not playing a fatherly figure in every way and providing support, you understand. So I don't understand it. She has everything she desires," the bereaved father lamented. Watch the previous video to know what the mother did. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, and share.